So I'm just showing my lovely rosemary plant right here. Yeah, nice. Okay. I have a sugar cane right here. I've had lots of sugar cane from this plant. Nice. Okay, my lime tree has one lime right here. So small and bearing, guys. And the orange tree, loaded with oranges. Loaded with oranges, guys. Look over here. It's a huge mint plant. It's so huge. What Jamaicans call round leaf mint. Has an excellent taste though. Alright, so this is a lovely mint plant. It's so large, you want to cut back right now. So huge, look at it. Growing right under this palm tree. Yeah. Over here, I think this is a tangerine tree. We're not quite sure. But when it starts to bear, we'll know exactly what it is. Right here, this is a soursop tree. It started to lean down when we had the threat of the last hurricane. But it has, we have gotten soursop from this tree. We've gotten 2 lovely soursops from the tree, even though it's a young plant. Alright. So just showing you the garden, guys, while the pot is cooking on the stove. Yeah, so here we are in our outdoor cooking today on the 4th of July. So the only thing we'll be doing the chicken inside the oven. Roasting that chicken in the oven. So we choose to do the rice and peas outside, and also to do the pot roast pork. So guys, that's what we have going on the outside right now. Pot roast pork and the rice and peas. So the peas is on the fire, and we are waiting on the peas to cook. So we got it going with some garlic in it, waiting on it to cook before we put the rest of stuff in it, like the coconut milk and so on and so forth. Alright guys, you know already, you know the drill. You have seen the rice and peas recipe being done already. If not, check out the channel and you'll see. Alright. For those of you who may be watching this video on Packer, check out the cooking channel on Jamaican Granny in Florida. Alright. And you'll see the rice and peas recipe and all the other beautiful recipes. Those of you who are watching from the USA, happy holidays. So guys, this is 9 pounds of pork being pot roasted right here. It's going on good. So we put the water each time to cool it down and to make sure that it's being cooked while it's being pot roasted. So guys, you'll see the little birdie on the fence that has made its nest here, and that have the babies here also. So that's the bird on the fence that has the babies right here. on the lanai. I don't want to startle the babies, but I want to just give you a reminder of what it looks like up there. Let me see. See the nest is right up there. Babies are in it in the box. Oh, whoa. But I didn't want to happen. So the sky is getting black, guys, as if you're going to get some rain. Look at the ominous clouds. Yeah, guys, you hear the rumbling of the thunder threatening to wash out my cookout. My cooking on the outside, right? That I'm enjoying so very much. Well, if the rain comes, it's not a big deal really, but you know, I'm having so much fun just cooking outside, you know, for a long while. Alright. I'm hoping for the best. So the baby flew out, and there it is with its mom right there. Ah, I'm glad the mom found it. Alright. So the other one is in the nest, and that one that flew out, that was startled, right there with its mom. Alright. Guys, the rain has started, and I mean it's starting to drizzle. I may have to shift back the stove to its original spot right there where I started out with it. So I'm just waiting a little to see what's going to happen. However, I'm almost done. Alright, so here we have the rice in the stove. The rain is coming down, so I'm going to shift inside. Shelly rice. The rice is so shelly and nice. So this sauce, it's going to be the tastiest